What's up guys, mostly aviation here, and today I'll be reviewing this Air Tahiti Nui Boeing 787-9 1/400 scale by Gemini jets. And this was a September 2018 release, and this airline is the airline of Tahiti. This is actually my first 787 model, and I got this model because the livery is just beautiful. And actually the 787 is my favorite aircraft, specifically the Dash 9, which I have right here. So yeah, here's the box, which has the 20th anniversary Gemini Jets logo, so you can tell that this is a 2018 release already. It's just a typical Gemini Jets box, except here we have a light blue color over here, which is very nice, really nice theme, really fits the livery colors. So here's the side of the box, and here we have the back. It's quite damaged actually. I got this for 2,244 pesos including the shipping. So yeah, here we have a flap which has the history and the specs of the aircraft. And yeah, and in here you could see the model. So now let's unbox it. Very interesting also that Gemini Jets uses a different kind of plastic this time. It's not the kind of plastic that you usually get. But yeah, here is the model. It's very beautiful. It's just lowered here. And there you go. As you can see, this livery is just absolutely beautiful. So as you can see here, we have the Air Tahiti Nui titles. Over here, the Air Tahiti Nui titles. Here we have the French Polynesian flag. And as you can see here, it says Bora Bora, if you look closer. Over here, it says Bora Bora, which is one of the islands of the French Polynesia. And actually Air Tahiti Nui is, I think it's by the French, yeah. So here on the top part of the fuselage is blue, and then on the bottom is white, which I really love the livery. It's very nice. Here we have two red stripes which go like almost across the fuselage, but you know, it's not across the whole fuselage. But yeah, here we have our L1 L2 door. Here we have the nose landing gear, which does not roll. Here we have the engines, the 787 engines with a nice teeth design at the back. And yeah, here we have antenna and Wi-Fi box, the Air Tahiti Nui titles. Moving on the back part of the model, as you can see, we have a beautiful design in the light blue color. It really fits well with the dark blue. You know, very nice shade of blue over here. This kind of blue is actually, this design is actually from a Tahitian tattoo, and actually that has different kinds of symbols and meanings to it, which is very nice. And yeah, here we have a flower which is actually called the tiare. I think you call the tiare, which is signature flower of Tahiti. As you can see, we have the main landing gears. Here is the back view of the model. Here is the other side, which is just the same thing, but here now we have the cargo doors. As you can see, here's the front cargo door, and now here we have the back cargo door. So here's the front view of the model, which is nice. I really love the wing flex of the 787, that's why it's my favorite aircraft. Here we have the engines, and yeah, as you can see here, this engine has a metallic cone, but this one does not. I think it's just a factory defect or something. But yeah, let's take a closer look on the engines, which, as you can see, the design of the fan blades is very nice, very detailed. I really love the kind of curves that it has. Yeah. Here we have the top part of the model, which is blue over here, and then color blue. Yeah, the fuselage is color blue on the top. And here we have the wings, which has these small things here. It actually says no step. You could see here, yeah, these things say no step. I actually really love the white colored wings instead of the gray colored wings. I don't know, I just find that's a nice color instead of gray. As you can see, we have the top of the design, or the Tahitian tattoo, which is very nice and beautiful. And here's the back with the horizontal stabilizers. And yeah. Now here we have the bottom part of the model, and none of the landing gears actually, they do not roll. And as you can see here, we have the mark. You can see here how they attach the wing to the fuselage, which Gemini Jets has a lot of controversy about that, but I actually really don't mind it, you know. Here we have a red box over here, where is the ram air turbine is located. And then actually what's very interesting with this model, as you can see, this tiny dot is actually a beacon light. And you know, the beacon light is supposed to be red, but for some reason it's metallic. Same thing also with the top part of the model, also has another beacon light, but it's also metallic. But here's the top of the engines, which is nicely detailed. And here we have the bottom of the wing, which has the registration of F-ONUI. And here's the other bottom part of the wing. Yeah, here we have the Gemini Jets logo, and again, the bottom of the fuselage is pure white. And then as we go on the back, this is where the design color blue takes over. Overall, this is a very beautiful model. This is actually the most random model that I have, because I actually did not know anything about Air Tahiti Nui's airline until now. I did a lot of research about it since I don't know anything about the airline. But yeah, I actually didn't know where Tahiti is located, but I know where it is right now since I did some research. And again, I got this model because the livery is just really beautiful, and I'm looking forward to maybe flying Air Tahiti Nui pretty soon. But yeah, again, I really recommend you guys getting this model, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first edited video in my channel. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video.